Hello, car owners and friends. If your Mitsubishi Pajero V31 to V46 models need to check the maintenance lighting tools, this car's special electric torch is definitely worth knowing that it is. Designed for car spare parts and maintenance scenarios with bright and stable lights. It can effectively improve the working vision at night or in dark environment, making maintenance easier and more accurate. Friends who are interested in it are welcome to contact me at any time. I look forward to answering more details for you.